Good morning. Today I would like to discuss a problem on Poisson's equation in electrostatics. So let us first see the problem and then we will try to solve this problem. Here the problem is, if the electrostatic potential is given by this equation where phi 0 is constant, then find the charge density rho. Here charge density is volume charge density, and here phi 0 is a constant and phi is the electrostatic potential at the point xyz. Here xyz indicates that the potential is given in Cartesian coordinate system. That is, this equation gives us the potential at a point x, y and z, which is in Cartesian coordinate system. So we use here the Cartesian coordinate system to solve this problem. So let us see the solution. In electrostatics, the Poisson's equation is del square phi equal to minus rho by epsilon 0. This is Poisson's equation in electrostatics, where del square is the Laplacian operator. It is the Laplacian operator, and phi is the electrostatic potential, and rho is the volume charge density of charge, and epsilon 0 is the permittivity of free space. Poisson's equation in electrostatic gives us the relation between electrostatic potential and charge density and volume charge density. We can say volume charge density. This is the relation between volume charge density and electrostatic potential. That is, potential at a point due to a charge density Okay, so let us see the next step. In place of Laplacian operator, we can write del 2 del x2 plus del 2 del y2 plus del 2 del z2 times phi. So in place of phi, we can write phi 0 x square plus y square plus z square, which we can get from question. Here phi equal to phi 0 x square plus y square plus z square equal to minus rho by epsilon 0. So if we simplify this step, then we can easily write phi 0 times 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to minus rho by epsilon 0. Because of del 2 del x2 x square gives us 2, and del 2 del x2 y square gives us 0, and similarly del 2 del x2 z square gives us 0. So del 2 del x2 x square gives us 2, and similarly del 2 del y2 y square gives us 2, and del 2 del z2 z square gives us 2. So finally we can write 6 phi 0 equal to minus rho by epsilon 0, and thus rho equal to minus 6 phi 0 times epsilon 0. So this is the answer, and this is the required volume charge density. So this was the problem today. Thank you for watching, and